What's up, Bronco family? Nick here with Tackform. I know selecting a dash bracket can be daunting because there's so little information regarding the features and benefits and real comparisons about what makes one better than the other. I'd like to share 4 reasons why our FT12 Bronco bracket is outperforming the other similar products out there. Number 1, functionality. Although grid-style dash mounts are trendy, it's a nightmare when you're trying to install, move, or reposition your mounting bases. Our Fast Track mounting platform has an integrated track system as well as pre-threaded amps and diamond mounting holes. No need to fumble with nuts when adding, removing, or repositioning your mounts. Watch how fast it is to install an amps mount. You'll see many of these grid-style mounting bases require you to partially uninstall the dash mount in order to access the underside of the panel to access the nuts. On a dash bracket, a phone is a staple item. Not everyone wants to have their tablet or CB mic up there 24/7. With the Fast Track, you can quickly add, remove, or reposition your mounts in seconds. Number 2, no drilling required. Many of the dash brackets out there require you to drill into your dash or make modifications to the dashboard in order to mount your dash bracket securely. This product has been designed to give you a rock-solid hold on the roughest of terrains with simply the accessory-ready mounting screw and 3M tape. It will not fail. That being said, it's not permanent. It can be removed after years of use. If you'd like to see for yourself, we have a video of a clean uninstall after 8 months of use. If you're the type of individual who prefers getting under the dash and going with the nut and bolt install, we do have pre-drilled through holes in the legs, and we do include that mounting hardware necessary if you want to go that route. Number 3, we have better mounting options. There's a few things to unpack here. So for one, the arm needed to mount a phone will be shorter than the arm needed to mount a tablet, for example. There's 2 reasons for that. As you can see, the dash jogs out in front of the switches. Additionally, when you're mounting a tablet, you typically want a longer arm so you can tilt it toward you for a better viewing angle. All of our Bronco kits come paired with our telescoping arms so you can achieve both positions with a single arm. Number 4, looks are important to us. It's the perfect width. It can comfortably hold up to 4 devices, and let's be honest, no one's mounting in front of their airbag deployment zone. Our mount is machined from billet aluminum, anodized with clean, chamfered edges. This is super fresh in comparison to formed sheet metal, which in many cases is just a budget-friendly alternative. Don't get me wrong, if done well, sheet metal can work, but I want nothing less than billet aluminum in my Bronco. And my reasoning on this is more than just cosmetic. The CNC machine top plate allows for an integrated track system as well as pre-threaded amps and diamond mounting holes. I hope this answers any questions you have. Thanks for being part of the Tackform family and helping us grow. If you have any other questions, comments, or product ideas, please drop them in the comments or Q&A.